In this video, we'll show you how to install poles on doors. Let's get started. We provide a tool that will help you mount your poles level and straight on all your doors. It's labeled Door Pole Locator. You will need these materials to install poles on your doors: the 3/16" drill bit, your drill, the door pole locator, your screwdriver, and the poles themselves. Look through all the contents of the bag. Did you get different sizes of poles? If you have small drawer fronts or doors, we may have sent special poles for those locations. Before you start drilling holes, make sure you know which drawers or drawer fronts get those smaller poles. It's best to install these special poles first. You don't want to drill holes in the wrong place. Put the 3/16" bit in your drill. Align and drill holes indoors. Go slowly to minimize blowout on the back of the door. Use the screws in the bag with the pole to attach the pole. Use your hands and a screwdriver to make it straight and snug. If you bought poles from us, holes are already drilled in the drawer front for your poles. Use your 3/16" bit to drill through the existing holes and through your drawer box. Go slow to minimize blowout in the drawer. Use the screws in the bag labeled Screw Poles to Drawers to attach the pole. Use your hands and a screwdriver to make it straight and snug. Good work.